Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
Ladies and gentlemen, right. Yo, Dopey, that the place, you know. We about to go barber shop. Cause yeah, me need a haircut and my personal barber. You know, they both right now, so we have to physically go in our barber shop today, which is something we hate for them. Yeah, but we're there right now. And a barber shop at the pre, then two girls that come link with today. We're about to shoot some video with them and see what can go on. You don't know me, I got already there. I vlog behind the scenes and show you what I'm going. We'll probably shoot a next white girl video and bring them behind the scenes because I say you wanna love that. So yeah, that's probably become a little thing for me on right now. When I shoot my comedy video, then I just make them forward behind the scenes, you know? Like how when I cook, when they're behind the scenes. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going for today. So what I'm going for the rest of the day, but I'm not going there with me. Yeah, so mad move. So right now, I'm there. Just come back from getting a haircut. You know what I mean? Kinda look a little something kinda look a little nice, you know? But yeah, we're there. Today is a wonderful day. When I girl them come link with Chabas and Arna, Chabas and Arna the car right now, them a shoot a video. I'm about to come up with a video idea. So me and him and I can shoot a video. I don't know. Today I even feel for shooting a video. But yeah, we're there and we are doing it, so check back in with us in a few, right? Yeah man, mad move. So today Chaba shoot the video with the girl. Most of you if you not follow Chabas on Instagram, you know see the video there. You go on Instagram. As me tell you, I never feel like shooting videos today, so it was nothing really for shoot today, because when I do not, it was just behind the scene, and me just want Chabas get that for him use the content there. Him use the content there for film channels. So yeah, but me there right now. I don't know, I'll probably play some FIFA tonight and video it. Cause I have couple I wanna add me on P4, so I'll probably just send an invitation tonight and play only in a FIFA and just vlog it. I'm gonna just have fun and put it in the vlog. You know what I mean? Or Call of Duty, Fortnite, Apex, whichever. I'm gonna start the more of them there with me and one where I just invite you to my game and we just have fun. You know what I mean? But we'll probably not do it in the vlog, yeah, so if that's a segment you want to see, you can let me know. Leave a PSN right there. So well, my PSN is FamousSosick and a smiley face at the end. So yeah, it's like FamousSosick dash then underscore then dash. So you create a smiley face. So if you don't want to add me on P4, just add me and comment in there. Leave a comment and say yo, do the segment. If you don't want the gaming segment in the vlog, we do it for you. I not just want to do it and put it out there. I want it like a something I want to see, and then we just end up do it. You know what I mean? So we do it for you. So if you don't want to play me, if you don't want to play with me, no, why that sound no burn up. If you don't want to play against me in a FIFA or Black Ops or Fortnite, Apex, any one of them there, just let me know and we can just do it and vlog it and just have fun. If you don't want to on my team, in no matter we can do it. I pay for online, so I have online, we can play online. So if you don't have online and want to play, what for go on? Go create a squad, go create a Jamaican Call of Duty squad and just take over gaming. Go create a Jamaica FIFA squad and just take over gaming. You remember so bad now, we talented in as Jamaican. Anything we put we on in now. You know what I mean? Them say sports. at Jamaican in a sports, you get Usain Bolt. You know what I mean? Them say music. At Jamaican in a music, you get Bob Marley. Instead politics, you get Garvey and them one day. You know what I mean? So whatever we touch is gold. Believe it or not. So yeah, if you want to see this segment, just let me know. I'm just add it to this. So here we there and we are doing it. Mad move. Right now, me there. Me about to go chef up something right now. I feel for some curry, but not chicken back. Unfortunately, I'm not chicken back right now because I don't feel for cut up my chicken back and the chicken in the fridge. So we buy the big pack of chicken where it already cut up, so it mark something I need that good for curry or something I need that. But yeah, today I just gonna deal with that, curry some chicken, and I do want the rice and peas, but I'm lazy, so I just gonna do white rice, regular white rice. Yeah, forward. So right now, don't know, time there, carrot, scallion, and little pepper, you know. Some potato, if you add little oomph and little oomph. And if you have your garlic, you don't know, your Maggi, your all-purpose, and then your regular Jamaican curry, hot and spicy, pimento. And you don't know, some turmeric. Alright, so basically I just clean up the chicken, you know what I mean, cut off the little fatty part them and cut out the little this and the little that, you know what I mean. Now it's time to wash the chicken. Make sure you have the vinegar. Alright, now, so this is a voiceover. First, you add your little pimento, you see me? Not too much, but you don't know people eat pimento, but when you cook with pimento, you make your food taste better. Everybody know that. Then we gotta add some garlic. Yeah, the voiceover thing is bad. Alright, we add in some garlic powder. Oh my god. Hey. I guess we are having a lot of garlic. You know, garlic good for you, so it don't matter. Now we are gonna add in some like a Maggi. Brand new, so you don't know me have to peel it up. It's all-purpose, people. All-purpose seasoning. It good for you. And it for your food. I'm retarded, watch it, I can't even pull it up. Jesus Christ, watch it. Hold on, people, hold on. Alright, it's open now. And look, cover it back and shake it out. You know? Maggi. Okay. Alright. Yeah, shake now. Shake. Shake. You know? It now works, so I have to pull it up again and shake it out manually. Yeah, manually. Okay? And now, what we are putting now? Some of them like a pepper something, you know what I mean? This just gives a little different oomph of pepper, you know? Normally when me do this, I put some turmeric powder in it and then I burn my curry differently. Okay guys, back to the voiceover. You see? Pour in your turmeric powder. You can cook with one in it, you don't need the two of them. Pour in your turmeric, as me say. Me use the turmeric, give it little more color. And the curry, I burn that, the regular curry, I burn that in the pot. Right now, I wash my thyme, and I cut up my thyme, and I take my thyme, you know what I mean? So I just add the thyme. Right now, it's scallion time. Wash my scallion them. Make sure you wash your scallion in your time. I don't know. Alright, this is a new thing. I don't know me at all about this, but me just a voice over all of this. Carrot. I don't normally put carrot and potato yet in the pot. In a way me a season. Normally, me make the food cook first, and when it near for go down, them time I chew in my carrot and chew in my potato. You know what I mean? So, you know, overcook or taste no way. But today the first time I gotta do it the way, yeah. Me actually gotta cut them up and do it while it a season. So everything go in the pot one time. Okay? Yes. You know what I mean? I've got up a carrot them in it. Them say carrot good for your eyesight. Some people say nothing no go so. Some people say carrot not good for nothing. Me personally just love how carrot taste and it give pot a extra oomph. Potato buds, I just got one more. You don't really need no more, but so I really like potato. You know, get all the niceness them together. If me leave for cookie so, either white. Cause me use the turmeric powder, season it. But when me I cook it now, I cook it with the regular curry. But me burn the regular curry. Alright, so now this done. We have to burn the curry now. And all of them niceness there. So right now, the pot is heated. We need to add some oil. You don't need much oil. That's it and you're good. Big jill of oil and you're good. That look like big jill. Wait till the oil hot. Once your oil hot, you're going to add the curry. Ochivia's spicy hot Jamaican nice curry powder seasoning. Voila. Alright, the oil look like it hot now, so I'm gonna burn the curry. And you don't need much. That's it. I remember we kinda oomph it up already with little turmeric. Yeah man, make it burn, you know, make it burn, make it burn. People, curry are dangerous something, you know, curry run in the belly if you don't cook good enough. Curry will kill, you know. You hear that? Alright, you see the part here? The part here crucial. Because when only for people see this and see say you look like it a dry out, no water in it, nothing in it, that's exactly how you want it. Burn the curry a little bit on the meat, make the curry, yeah. Trust me, it will go build its own water, it can make its own gravy. So all we need to do now is just cover this and make it rest. Nothing more. As you can see, I just deal with the curry, I just put in, I just cover it. It will go and sizzle up and bizzle up and whizzle up. Yeah, but right now, it's time for the rice. Because I tell you this, I'm going to go the rice and peas, but I change my mind, I'm just add the white rice. Remember, I tell you, watch out. I don't add nothing, no water, nothing. I tell you, it will make its own gravy. It will make it, yo, let me try doing this somewhere. Oh, light on already. Alright, I just if I take it off my pot so I can get the light. See? Only I need no add no hurry up and add no water to anything, just make it go and cook, people, trust me. Suppose me they got add beer water to it. But there, it'll make its own gravy. Yo, watch out. Watch out. So the curry there on the fire bubble. This is the rice me I cook. It's a little small pot. Just a little small pot of rice. Now waste no rice. I just cook a small pot of rice. What I'm about to do is just wash the rice here. Add butter to it. Add salt to it. That's it. Nothing more needed in the rice. Nothing more. Trust me. Nothing more. You know what I mean? But yeah, I go wash the rice. What about people, yo, it's crazy because what about people don't wash them rice? I don't know why. I just grew up and see what everybody in my family wash rice and I feel like it's a rice for wash. But what about people don't wash them rice? Big up on yourself. But me always wash my rice. Big up myself. Yeah, so I'm about to deal with the rice right now. And then check in with the yo, when I want to see how the meat are going without no something they had it. Put it. We have a little problem, a slight problem. My hand swell rice, and the amount of rice I'm putting in the pot swell up. Watch ya. The rice nearly afloat over the pot, people. Honestly, I never enough rice I'm putting in the pot. But my hand swell rice. Yeah, I just make this dry down a little bit and then I just turn on the fire and make it steam. So alright, I want to comment in the comment section right now, team wash rice or team no wash rice. Or that? Wash rice or no wash rice? Comment and let me know what you want to do. You want wash on the rice or you don't wash on the rice? Comment and let me know what you want to do. Right now the pot a simmer, curry there on the rice there, and I just turn on the rice is steam now. I just about to go wash up back everything when I use because I don't know kitchen can't stay dirty. I don't like the dirty kitchen. Every time before I cook, I have to clean up the kitchen, and then as the pot them start simmer, I have to clean up the kitchen again before I even start cheer, before the food even done. It's just me, people. I think I have OCD. I just like to things clean. I like to place clean. So yeah, right now at that way I pray that we're on. Yeah, we're on schedule, so dinner soon serve. So food just finally done. I'm about to go share some food and consume some food because I'm hungry now. We are going to touch the road, so after I do all of that, I hold a fresh. But Ricky, I think Ricky's supposed to come link me. Ricky's supposed to come give me a link right now, so I'm there. I just want to consume some food until I'm forward. Yeah. So because I go up on the road, I don't want to fill up my belly with no food. Yeah, food done. Yes, I'm about to consume this right now. The camera steam up, so when I go see me kind of steamy. Yes, I'm about to consume this, then hold a beard. Because we're about to go up on the road real quick because Mr. Ricky will come link me. I'm going to start vlog back when he reach, so yeah, we're there and we're doing it. Mad move. Yo, up it, enough it. Yo, upstairs, me there hear the doorbell, you know. And me say, boy, it's a boss there on the back. So I know you never did like a year, you know.
It's not curry chicken.
Yeah, I just curry some chicken. You see people? My food bad. As you want to walk in, the man smell my food. Man walk in, the man say, yo, I smell curry chicken.
Don't forget a keep on something dog.
You look fresh, dog.
No, but I don't think no more shape up my beard now. Cause why?
Damn.
Because barber shop go line up and forgot to make him and snip down my beard.
You know, oh yeah.
You want to snip it up. Hey, don't.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.